What is NFT or non-fungible token? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are mainly made using the same coding as cryptocurrencies. These digital assets are built on blockchain tech. To put it simply, they can indeed be exchanged or traded similarly to other digital assets. Be sure to subscribe, similar to Bitcoin or Ethereum. The word non-transferable, NFT, denotes that it cannot be altered or exchanged due to its distinctive qualities. The Ethereum blockchain has the majority of NFTs. However, other blockchains each have their implementations of NFTs, like Dogecoin or Bitcoin. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency. However, its blockchain also maintains an account of who owns and exchanges NFTs. Uses of NFT. NFTs are frequently used by persons who like collecting art. Here are some uses of NFT. Investment and security. The architecture for decentralized finance and NFT is the same. DeFi programs allow you to borrow money with the use of security. DeFi and NFT investigate the possibility of using NFTs as security alternatively. Domain names. NFTs offer your domain a name that is simpler to remember, making an IP address increasingly memorable and valuable. Typically based on length and importance, works similarly to a website domain title. Digital content. The major application of NFTs nowadays is in digital resources. NFTs fuel a creator market where creators give ownership of their work to the networks they use to promote it, boosting the profitability of content providers. By publishing original memories and works of art and offering them as collateralized NFTs, superstars like Shawn Mendes and Snoop Dogg are showing interest in the NFT. The popularity of NFT. NFT popularity has recently increased for several reasons. The enthusiasm and mainstream of currencies and blockchain technology come first and are likely the most evident development. The intersection of fandom, royalty economics, and scarcity rules goes beyond technology. The information is transferred to the buyer of a non-fungible token, yet it continues to transfer online. An NFT can become more well-known in this way since its value increases with increased web visibility. When the item is sold, the platform keeps a tiny portion of the proceeds, the current owner receives the remainder, and the original developer receives a 10% share. As a result, famous online assets have the potential to provide recurring income as they are purchased and sold over the duration. Work of NFT. NFTs give artists and content providers a unique chance to monetize their works. For instance, artists are no longer required to sell their work through exhibitions or auction sites. Alternatively, the artist can sell it as an NFT straight to the consumer, allowing them to keep a larger portion of the sales revenue. Companies like Charmin and Taco Bell have sold off themed NFT artwork to generate charity money. Nyan Cat, a gift depicting a cat with a Pop-Tart body, sold in February for about $600,000. Even famous people have jumped on the collateralized NFT bandwagon, publishing original memories, works of art, and events. NFT benefits. Non-fungible tokens undoubtedly represent a brand new class of digital assets. On the one side, you have a ton of eye-catching highlights in NFT auctions worth $1 million. The advantages of NFTs provide a blatantly obvious solution to the question of what potential elements might be responsible for the value of NFTs. The following are a few of the main benefits of NFT. Ownership. The ownership of NFT makes their main benefit clear. NFTs, which operate on a blockchain network, can tie ownership to a specific account. The fact that NFTs are unique and cannot be dispersed among different owners is the most significant. Buyers are protected from worries about phony NFTs thanks to the ownership benefit of NFTs. NFT detractors have asserted outright that anyone might just take images of NFTs and sell or even give them away. You can, however, view an image of the NFT, so it is crucial to consider if you own the asset. Authenticity. The advantages of non-fungible tokens mostly depend on their distinctiveness. The creation of NFTs implies that they are associated with certain data. To create exclusivity of supply, NFT developers also have the option of issuing a limited amount of NFTs. Some NFTs allow creators to produce multiple copies, just like with tickets. On the other side, the authenticity of NFTs is guaranteed by the blockchain's integrity, which is where they are stored. Data integrity guarantees that blockchain technology NFTs resist changes, removal, or replacements. As a result, NFTs can simply demonstrate that their authenticity is their most desirable attribute. Boost inclusive growth. The boost for inclusive growth is the last and most significant benefit listed under NFTs. NFTs open new opportunities for inclusive growth for all participants by integrating content producers from many industries into a single ecosystem. Firstly, NFT artists can get paid fairly for their work and communicate with customers directly. Buyers can choose availability in several asset classes, thanks to NFTs. Transferability. In specific markets with various trading alternatives, it is simple to trade NFTs easily. NFTs could address the issue of walled gardens in the context of games. Players buy in-game stuff from several games to enhance their gaming experience. The in-game objects, however, are only usable within the confines of the games. They cannot be used outside of those settings. In addition, players risk losing their investments in in-game gift items or goodies when a game becomes outdated. Conclusion: NFTs are ideal for casual collectors who wish to help an artist, belong to a group, or possess a small piece of a subject they're enthusiastic about. NFTs are risky because of how volatile they are and how speculative the market is. Like fine art and other rare goods, certain NFTs have experienced huge value growth while others have experienced tremendous value decline. It is impossible to emphasize how important community is to NFTs. NFTs can be a doorway into a different demographic and way of life. Thanks for watching.